Hello. Today I'll be teaching you about food fridges and the organization and sanitation of them. As you can see currently, my fridge is not organized. But follow these few steps and it will be.
The eggs in the door, so now the eggs are in the door's open. Getting warm. Oh, and then you got Jay's, so up. And you got Ramy, oh, then there's Dad.
Okay, so don't put the eggs in the door, but I'm gonna leave them there. All right, so we take out the drawers. And we put them in warm water.
It's gonna die.
They're soaking. They are too. Oh no. And various dairy products. Why? I think they should be together so they're easier to find.
Oh, are you gonna put them outside?
What are you doing? I'm gonna clean the fridge. I have to put them outside so they can not go bad.
Well, stuff gets out for 2 hours before bacteria grows. Your food sanitation class should know that.
Mom, I do know that, but last time you guys had me clean out the fridge, you had me put all this stuff outside.
Well, Dad probably had to do it, made you do it like where it took 2 hours.
Okay. That's disgusting. Let's see. These are good till April. This is where the cheese goes. Various cheese. Oh, it's got a stem on it. The fruit.
There might be Dad's. Oh, that's Dad's. I saw. Huh?
You get shaving off for away.
That's all. What?
You throw it away?
I left it all for you.
Yeah, but if I don't.
Good. Does chicken sound vegetarian to you?
Okay, Karen, make her do something.
Woo!
Back to business.
All right.
This is expired, so I'm gonna. There it goes.
September 19th of 2019.
Dumbass.
Oh. That's for Mama.
Mama's corner up there.
Look at the transformation. Okay, here we have the leftover drawer. Okay, we had tacos and fried chicken, but it's not actually fried. This is the meat drawer. Cheese drawer, dairy drawer, vegetable drawer is just lettuce. This is the children's, because they stand on this. This is perfect reaching. This is miscellaneous. And this is guacamole and oral suspension cephalexin for your oral take and swallow it. I put the eggs up here, but my mother told me that is dangerous, but I'm going to leave them there because my fridge is very cold for no reason. This is where butter goes, and this is miscellaneous again. We got butter in there, fucking some McDonald's dips. And I put all the dressings together and all the condiments together. Got Worcester sauce, garlic, and then olives, and I had nowhere to put this stuff, so. And that's not my best work.